Doors may look solid, but most interior ones are hollow. That means noise leaks in, and fast. Today, we'll show how anyone can soundproof a door with simple, budget-friendly fixes. First, let's tackle the gaps. The biggest culprit is usually the space at the bottom of the door. A door sweep blocks sound from slipping underneath. Easy to install, inexpensive, and makes a big difference. Weather stripping seals cracks along the edges, creating a snug fit. This not only reduces noise, but also helps with energy efficiency. For renters or anyone who doesn't want permanent changes, a fabric draft stopper works wonders and can be removed anytime. Adding a sound dampening curtain is another layer of defense. It's especially helpful for doors that open into noisy hallways. With just a few budget-friendly fixes, that noisy hallway is now a whole lot quieter. No fancy tools, no expensive remodel, just smart, simple solutions. Don't put up with unwanted noise. Try these quick fixes and enjoy a little peace and quiet behind your door. You can do these fixes yourself, or you can contact your local Doorrenew to do them for you. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.